Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This one is commercial immersion blenders. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For these hooks, they are almost about like a 20 inches long in total. And the handlebars, we can see this one is about like a 13 and 3/4 inches long. And when we're looking at the unit's body, we can see the EPL sanitation stickers on side, and they do have a manufacturing information made in China too. And the unit's using the 110 powers, and totally they're using the 500 watts for this one. And also we can see the manufacturer offer you the standard 110 plugs for these units. And when we're looking at the handlebars, we can see they do have a power switchers right here and lockers here. And on top of here, they're having emergency stops. And when we're looking the bottom down the units, we can see they have a triangle of 3 blades at bottoms. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.